Welcome, folks! Let's learn how to make yummy chocolate cupcake. Put 2 eggs into a pan. Add a glass of milk. Add half glass of oil. Now mix it well. Add half cup of sugar. Now mix it again for 4 to 5 minutes. It's time to add a bit of vanilla essences. Mix it again. Now we need 1½ cup wheat flour, maida. Add 2 packets of baking powder. We need cocoa powder for that. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Now mix everything together. Add a pinch of salt. Add the batter that we made before. Now mix it well until it gets thick. Here you can see our cupcake batter. Add bit of butter on your cupcake baking pan so they won't get stick. Put your batter into these cups. Now it's time to bake them in oven. Here you can see our cupcake after 10 minutes. It's not totally baked yet. Here's our chocolate cupcake. Enjoy eating! Subscribe and like for more yummy recipes.